So this is the situation at the moment. So what happened here is the garage door, which is that. For some reason, I tried to press the button here to open it. It wasn't working. So I started investigating why it's not working. Then on checking up here, I realized that, there's a problem. You can see that the brackets holding it on the wall, they dislodged. You see that button there, and then it unplugged it from the power source, and then it dropped like a sparrow. It dropped down, and look how close it is to the car. Actually, this was gone already, almost. So what we did is to assess the situation, try to make sure that we put that screw back where it belongs, up there, and then plug it back, open the garage door, get the car out of the garage, reinforce it properly, and then return the car back. We are realizing this at around 8 o'clock at night. So this is gonna be a tough job, but it's doable. Handyman, you can do this at home alone or call professionals. Actually, I don't encourage doing it alone because anything can go wrong here and this car would be in danger. So I just covered the car with a blanket here so that this is where it almost hit the car. It almost dropped. You see how it's hanging there? So it's very crooked right now. If I try to put it this way. So there is where we are. So I'm gonna try to screw that screw back, and then, because the other side is very good. There's no problem with the other side, but this side is very, very, very delicate. We'll do it. We'll try to do it. And I'll show you how I've done it. And I don't encourage this, like I've said, that this is how you can do it, but only when you're sure. But if you're not sure, call the professional, because even how to reach it will be a terrible thing. I would recommend calling a professional, but for me, I will work on it. It will come back, and I'll show you when I'm done. So currently, I'm just covering the rooftop of the car so that in case there is any error, then it doesn't break the car. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. This is how to fix a problem when it happens, especially when you're at home. Okay. I'm stepping on the car very, very lightly. Okay, this is delicate. This is delicate. So I want to go up one more time on the ladder. This is very, very dangerous. Okay? Do you want to do this at home? Okay. Okay. If we fix this, we can fix anything. close. I'm stepping on the oh my. Oh my.
Baba has to be safe.
Yes. Just this screw is not very strong. Okay. It's hanging there. If anything have to come down, you have to come very quickly and rescue.
My fingers.
Ooh. Once it holds, then we can do anything else. Okay, this screw is loose.
Yeah, like this.
This type of screw and longer one. So this is lift master. This is the garage door that opens this garage door up and down. So it got broken, kind of. These screws came down and it unplugged from this power source there, and all of this thing was down, but I put it back by buying that screw that holds it up there. On this side I put 2 screws there on this side, and the one on that side is the one that was holding it. It was dangerously hanging on top of the car. We were just lucky that the other screw held it good, and this side got dislodged out. So I just put it back and fixed it. And now we're gonna do some greasing here, which we're gonna use this product. So this is the one that we use for specifically meant for the oil, for the oiling of the, for greasing this line here. So I'm just gonna spray some here. And this spray here. That's it. That's it. Be careful when you're doing this, because it can leak onto your eyes. If it goes into your eyes, follow the instructions.